Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now it is Thursday morning. It is just about to be 7 a.m. Since business has been slow, it gave me a lot of time to think twice about everything that I'm doing, and I've realized that I've been burning out not because of the client work that I do, but I've been burning out because as much as I love working with my clients and, working with other creators, I'm not fulfilled with myself making that kind of content. I've been trying to find inspo online, rekindle that fire and that magic of just creating to create. I feel like I've kind of lost that touch. I just want to start making content that I could fall in love with again in terms of just watching and creating. I actually just want my videos to have impact. I want them to have meaning. I don't want it to be just all this lifestyle and flexing stuff. Obviously, there's always going to be lifestyle content within my channel, but I don't want it to come off as oh, look at me. I kind of want it to come off as I want to do that too. This is motivating. I want to do this too. But I'm gonna go ahead, finish my run, enjoy these morning views. Camera's about to die, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Alright, you guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm actually about to start my day. Right now it is 7:39 in the morning, and then I guess just to document, I want to show you guys this is the current physique, because one thing that I've been working on lately, now that I've had time to really think about what I really want, is my health and my physique. So I just wanted to take my training, my nutrition up another notch. At one point I was more dedicated with my health and fitness, but after just getting a taste of a nicer lifestyle, I've gotten comfortable. But this is the current physique. Let me turn it around. So this is what my physique looks like right now, guys. It's not the best, it's okay. I have a decent amount of muscle, but I definitely want to trim down, and I want my abs to reveal. Everything that you guys saw up until now, that's basically how my morning starts every single day. And if I'm not running, I'm either training at the gym or I'm editing videos. So I always try to do the hardest things first thing in the morning, because that's when my mind is most fresh. It's all these small details that I try to pay attention to when it comes to just trying to get out of a rut or just trying to stay mentally sharp throughout the day. I'm just locking back in. That's kind of what I resort to whenever I'm going through it, when business takes a hit, when I'm kind of lost. I just kind of lean in on these things that have helped me build momentum in the first place.
Lost you to the game, I gotta hug that. I was here when you was asking where the love at. Dip your finger in the bag to get your buzz back. I was wishing on a star when I was that. I've been fortunate enough to have it my way. I'm a fortune teller, listen to what I say. Remember when we used to park up in my driveway? I always told it how it was, I never shy away.
Alright, you guys, so pretty much for the entire morning since I've gotten ready, I've just been on the laptop. Another thing that I want to touch up on is just learning how to slow down and reconnect with what matters. Because I feel like ever since I moved here to Brickell, it was already kind of pressure from the start. Miami is normally just a very fast-paced lifestyle. It's hyper competitive here, and I guess that's just been overwhelming me. Even on my own YouTube homepage, the recommended for you is all these Miami entrepreneurs, and don't get me wrong, it's super cool that there are other people making content like this, but I kind of felt like my content's been diluted because I've just been so focused on making these day in the life, flex videos, I'm in Miami, I don't know. I feel like it's starting to get washed out, and it's not really the stuff that I really want to make. It's not the root thing that I'm trying to achieve on this channel. One thing that I did to slow down was just deleting all of my social media apps from my phone, other than YouTube, okay? So I deleted my TikTok, I deleted Twitter, I deleted Instagram. I am not active on those platforms right now. I'll probably log back in to Instagram just to promote this video on my stories once it's out, but other than that, I have just decided to unplug so I can get clear mentally and just silence the noise. That's kind of what I'm doing to slow things down, and it's given me the ability to really think about the direction that I want to take this YouTube channel, the direction that I want to take this brand.
Hey, whoa.
All right, you guys, so right now it is 12:21 p.m. One thing that I have been doing for a pretty long time now is intermittent fasting. What does this have to relate to the video? Well, for me, it's just one of those things that help me focus. I think there's a lot of health benefits. When you fast for a certain period of time, you put your body in the autophagy state. Correct me if I said that wrong, but pretty much you're relying on fat storages for energy and you're recycling your old damaged cells. When it comes to training, running, editing, going out, whatever it is that I'm doing in the mornings, because usually it just requires more like brain power, focus, whatever, I stay fasted. My last meal was 6:30 last evening and we're approaching 12:30, so how many hours is that? I've been fasted for 18 hours. So I usually fast between 16 to 20 hours. That's kind of like my range. I don't have a specific reason as to why. That's just kind of what like works with me. But yeah, intermittent fasting, the way I'm breaking it is something light. So it's just blueberries, banana, spinach, almond butter, almond milk, and some protein powder. So I'm gonna knock this out and then I'm probably gonna like head to the cafe or something just to switch up my environment.
Hey, hey, yeah. Jason got my name that glow in the dark. Lit up the dark like I'm OVO Mark. Walking cars, I got my crown in the start. 40K a night to sleep at the mark. This is time for me to cover the chart. Me and Katie about to turn the heart. Fuck you hoes, that's the way I'm breaking your heart.
It is 2:11 p.m. and I am gonna be here for a little over 4 hours since I have a lot of work to do and a lot of waiting to do since my girl is still at work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some editing myself. Since my flight is early morning tomorrow, I can't have any more caffeine throughout the day, so I just had to get this like refresher drink thing. I usually don't get these, but I guess it'll do for today. This is the footage that I've shot so far today, and then for those of you guys who are curious, this is what vlog looks like. So if you guys could see that the colors are like really flat. This clip too, see how it's like very flat. So this is gonna give me more space to like color grade the footage and, you know, kind of design it the way I want it to look like. Yeah guys, that's basically what I'm gonna be working on for the next few hours. Gonna start putting this vlog together, and then yeah man, it's back to back because by the time I'm done editing this video, I'm already gonna be filming the next one, which is my video in Chicago. I'm gonna go ahead, lock in, and yeah, time to edit this video.
Bunch of feelings I just couldn't shake. Disrespect that I just shouldn't take. You just couldn't see the good in Drake. 4 months, not a long time, but you for somebody you just couldn't wait. You broke my heart, you broke my heart.
All right, you guys, so excuse my presentation, but this is tonight's dinner. We got bibimbap. So I made one for me, I made one for my girlfriend, and then I also have this like gochujang sauce that I made for the both of us. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up today's vlog. This is what an average day in the life has been looking like, coming from someone who's been trying to just rebuild the brand, restructure things, and just rebuild that momentum and trying to fall in love with the process of creating to just create. Even like cooking has been super therapeutic for me. I've come to enjoy making food from home and just trying like new recipes lately. So that's kind of one thing that's been working on me as well. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up here and then have dinner with my girlfriend, and yeah, like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. I know this style was a little bit different, so we're gonna be trialing new things here on out, and yeah, hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.